Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your Kofi API key. So if you want to get the API key for Kofi, simply follow these steps and you'll get it. Once you log into your account, guys, just simply click on the more option in the lower left hand side and you want to scroll down to where it says API. Once you click on that, you'll be able to find all the API information here that you can easily find. Another way how you can find APIs is if you click on the more option here and you will go to where it says accounts and billing and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will find an API key that you can also copy from here. And that's it. So you can either find an API key right here, which is just a one link that you can copy, or if you simply go ahead and click on more and click on APIs, you should be able to find all the information here regarding APIs. As you can see, here is a single donation API for send single donation test as well. You can also send a first test for a monthly test and all those good stuff. Membership tier tests, you can go ahead and you can do all of these things. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.